So what are your thoughts on the workshop as a whole?
Very good, very knowledgeable. It was very thought-provoking. Oh yes, I would. I think it's important, but I'm not going to recommend it to my competitors, of course. Yeah. I would recommend that the rest of the schools in the trust do have a look at this. I think no matter where you are in your journey, with the school, I think it's important to review this and have a look at it. Yeah. I think I need to learn more about social media. I've got to get rid of the fear factor. Whether I run it in my school or whether I delegate that, I think as a head I need to understand it. I can't take responsibility for something ultimately, because we take responsibility for everything, if I don't understand what my staff members have been given to do. So I would need to do more of that.